Oh, there we go. And now we've adjusted the shot back to the full view, and my battery is flashing red. But anyway, welcome to South Coast Level Crossings, and we're here at Lymington, aren't we?
Yes. Can I give some input?
You can give some information.
What's that crossing with the 3 lights on the 4-ley line?
3 lights.
And you've got a cyclist misusing it.
For Oster Lane.
Yeah, it's the alarm sound like that one.
Oh, it does sound about high pitched. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yes, I get what you mean. Yes. So we've got Mr. J. Callow behind me.
Hello.
And we're waiting for the South Western Railway service from Lymington Pier.
Let's hope your battery don't die.
It can last about 5 minutes with its red flashing. And then we've
nice
also
new barriers.
Got new barriers, 2017.
Yeah.
SPX.
Yeah.
Yes, SPX used to be GWEs.
With bells.
I remember this crossing when it had the white bordered for halogens and it had the bells.
You recorded it with that?
I recorded it. It was like a million years ago. Well, I'm not that old. But here's a train coming now. So
very nice.
Just realised that.
What?
Audi went forward, thought the lights were green, but they were red and he stopped.
Well, at least he noticed.
Yes.
Well
Anyway,
done to the Audi driver.
Yep. Right, and thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.
Oh, sorry.